Alright guys, I kind of pressed the wrong button, so now I restarted the whole thing. But yeah, all of those fish are bass. And I barely got them hooked, so that's good. I'm gonna try casting again. Hopefully they don't do the same mistake that bass did. He hooked himself in like the gill plate, I think. I think that's what he did. Yeah. It was like really bad. But I saw what he did and got him unhooked. So I think these bass want no more. So I don't even see them no more, except for one. Yeah, no. Let's move on. Oh wait. Oh, sorry guys. I think I just saw some. Yeah, look at this. I'm just gonna stay really stealthy as I possibly can. This is probably like a fish or two. Watch. No, nothing. No, I don't want to snack. Sir, please. I don't know, I was really hoping there was gonna be like a trout here or something. No, see nothing. Huh, weird. Go and keep moving onward. Just gonna hope. I'm really the preferred species I was going for trout, and I'm ended up going bass fishing. That's a ooh, that's a nice big one. That's nice. That's nice. Please get it. I gotta oil this reel again. Thing's so noisy. Yeah, those bass already know what I'm doing. Sadly. Oh no, they're over here. Oh, you see how they just hid? Oh, got him. I think if I like cast in like that little, yeah, you said where the one just started. Perfect. Nothing. I bet if I like, oh, what is it with these rocks being so unstable? They're just hiding there. I can't do nothing unless like, let's get them out. Or like, look. If I just like come out, nope, nothing. I wish I really had polarized glasses. So, guys, our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Please get me there. Yo, did you guys see that? I think that was a trout. Wait a minute. Really fishing. Question is, any fish? It's like really muddy here. I gotta get used to these really wobbly, wonky. The thing I love about this crawdad lure is there's crawdads here. So fish's diet does contain crawdads. No. Okay. Let me try right there. Okay. Yeah, no. I'm gonna try hitting there because I don't want to snag my only crawdad lure. Right here, I'm just gonna cast because I can't see no fish. And just pray something bites it. Okay. I'm kind of Um, I'm kind of new to bass fishing. I usually go for catfish and bluegill, and this is a really new setting to me. Creeks, never done it before. But look right there, that looks really juicy because it's like a, is it a holding place for fish? You can never assume that all the fish are there. You just gotta believe there are fish everywhere. Just pray that something bites your lure. And yeah, that's the whole, and just enjoy. That's pretty much like the whole point of fishing. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys just saw that. There's something that you just like swam. Just gonna do this dirty bleeding talk. Jeez. Also, I feel like these are like one of the smartest and most stupidest. Well, trout really smart. Bass, kind of just stupid. I mean, say that, but they do get smart over time. But I feel like if they stay, hopefully they get big enough to start eating, the little baby trout that's. Yo, do you guys see that? Little baby trout that's here. Oh no. Okay. That was really stupid of me. I apologize. The thing I don't like about mud is just you start sinking in it. So imagine if like yellow bullhead were living in here. That's perfect there. I've been thinking like right here would be beautiful. Never mind. Before I cast, look at how messed up this lure is. Look at that. So you get for like $1. Another thing, I feel like people keep hating on these like micro lures way too much. Oh, what the heck? These things are floating. Flotation device. Oh, what in the world? Okay, I did not like what it just did. Thing just like. Oh, I got one. Boom. Nice size too. Hey, sir, stop. I'm starting to like this bass fishing. Oh, there goes my rod. The big issue I've always heard of was unhooking on trebles. Just because if you don't have pliers. Good size. Because if you don't have pliers and he gets like hooked. Oh, there he goes. They get hooked and then you guys are taking it off. I've heard that many people got their like fingers with a lot of like, there's no way, with a lot of with the treble hooks stuck in their fingers and hands and stuff like that. Dang, this guy. Man, this is. There we go. Looks like he's been hooked before. Look at that, he has like a ring of hooks. Nice sized fish though. I don't know what this is. I think this is a smallmouth. I don't know for sure, but I think this is because he doesn't have like the red stripes like a largemouth does. So maybe this creek does hold largemouth and small. But yeah, it's been attracting a lot right here. Look at that, there's another. And another. Oh, there's so many right there. Wait a minute. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like so many bass right there. At least one of them should take it. Take it. No? No? I think I've been spooking them too much. Okay, I should have not gone on this log. I have to balance wild fish. That's not fair. I don't think these bass ones are wait no more. Or I might have to crank it faster. There's no way. Right on the water. That is no, it came off. Right when it hit the water, it bit it, but then it came right off. That sucks. That was really bad cast. Yeah, but it kind of feels like panfish fishing. Yeah. Just because you throw like a little micro bait or a worm. I should, now that I think about it, I should have tried with worms first for bass fishing. But I feel like using artificial is how people do it. Alright, I'm gonna move spots. Haven't been getting bit. I'm just gonna move different direction. That way I can cast like on the side like that. And that way I can explore this other half. I've been liking bass fishing so far, even though it's first time in the creek. But I kind of want to start trying it in lakes. You know, catch me those like behemoth 10-pounders and stuff like that. It's juicy. Right here, this little corner looks really juicy. I think there's also tilapia in this water. But I really don't know. How am I supposed to get up there? Oh. Okay. We navigated fine. Okay. I feel like runoffs would be perfect just because you guys are river bass. And they're gonna try to, you know, hit like what trout do. You hit those bugs and come in the way. Or maybe like a more softer. Yup. There we go. Look at that. Oh, he came right off. What is that? I don't know what species of bass this is. I think he's a largie. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, guys, what species he is. How do I release him? I'm sorry, dude. I do not want to release you like this, but have to. Anyways, I think there's like 10 species of bass, or something like that, in the whole world, something like that. I don't remember. I'm not the pro here. You guys gotta. Oh no, it's slippery. I hated that. It like it forms in the most like running places that I had to cross too. I'm gonna try seeing if there's anybody in here. Cause why not? Okay, so looks like the sun's going down. I think the tilapia usually like hang out in these like little crevices. Yeah. Like right here. But hey, if we get bass only, I'm so happy because yo, wait a minute. Look at that. I've never seen bass swim that fast ever in my life. Ever. Now I think about it, I think I gotta return back to homeland, because sun's gonna be setting soon and I don't want to be left behind. Great adventure, no, but this is where we have to end it. And for you guys, go make one final cast. Beautiful subscribers. We're gonna see. Anything bites? No. Alright, just one more. Alright then. I wish you guys a beautiful afternoon. See you tomorrow. Peace.